Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rekha here from Suhani Creation. So guys, today we are coming back with my new tutorial about the strokes. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, so now as you know, I'm continuing my series of brush lettering. In past we have talked about strokes and pressure. So I'm just as we in previous video we have discussed this strokes. Okay, now we are going to move on and now we will learn some new strokes. Okay, this would be help in your blush lettering or the blush calligraphy. Okay, so now let's get started. So as you know, my camlin brush calligraphy markers are with me. So now we are going to create a double spiral. Okay, for the double spiral you have to okay, it depends on you how much pressure you want to give. If you want single strokes or now I am going to create some. Okay, see. Okay, and now again. Okay, now we will create stretch double pattern. Okay, double spiral. Okay, if you want then you can just do the simple as. Okay, now we move on our next pattern. Okay, it's all about pressure. Some more stroke. Okay, now we are going to create a underturn loops. Okay, underturn means loop. See how then now overturn. Overturn means guys, now I will tell you some simple classic standalone strokes. Guys, now I will tell you simply classic and standalone strokes. Okay, so these are the basic strokes which we have covered. Okay, so now we shall talk about some more strokes. Okay, now I am going to change my color, guys. All the colors are too beautiful. I am going to take a red. It's my favorite. Okay, these are the some classic strokes. Okay, so which you have to be learn. Okay, so yes, you will begin with your light pressure. Okay, and then light pressure, and after that when you will move again, okay, so these kind of strokes called some classic stone. Okay, so yes, some more I have. So you have to start little bit thick. Okay, and after that so yes, now we are going to create some new strokes. These are the some basic classic strokes. Okay, which help us to create some beautiful calligraphy letters. Okay, so yes, this kind of things it's really help to decorate our. Okay, and yes, some of the basic strokes. These are okay, and yes, for that and now then and it's all about pressure. When you will enter, then your stroke would be thin. Okay, now we are going to make some new. Okay, do practice as much as possible. Okay, yes, and there are some basic strokes which I am going to tell. So guys, this is all about our strokes for the our brush calligraphy. Okay, so in our next video I will tell you how to construct our letters. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please like and share my video as much as possible.